Basement update. Here we go. So what have I done since the last video? Well, I've done a whole lot of insulation. A whole lot of insulation. It's an old pool table. Need to find a way to get rid of this thing. It's broken, as you can see. But yep, lots of insulation. So that's my next inspection is installation. There's all my inspection paperwork. Got to start getting all this crap out of here because after installation inspection is going to be sheetrock. And I got to clean this place up. It's a mess. So yeah, this is sort of like what's been going on, man, past week. Just lots and lots of installation. Slowly but surely we're getting there. Slowly but surely we're getting there. That will be the entertainment rack eventually at some point. This is underneath the stairs. Installation pretty much everywhere. I did do some installation in the storage room as well. There's this one section that still has this to go in. I gotta run a cable through there, so I haven't put it up yet. And then theater room. Pretty much installed the installation throughout this whole room. Installation on the outer walls. Trying to keep the sound from exiting this room as much as possible. There goes the riser. I'm gonna have a step right here. I did put rock wall within the riser as well. So hopefully that helps. So the theater room is coming along. It's fully insulated. I even took some and put it up in the ceiling as best I could. Sorry for all the reflections from the lighting, but yeah, it's coming along. I had a little bit of insulation left over after it was all said and done, so I did put some here. There's a main stack that runs down here. I figure I'll try to make it as quiet as possible so that when you're running the shower or the sink upstairs in the kitchen, you don't hear it. And so I just wrapped with what I had remaining in that main stack to sort of silence the water running from upstairs a little bit, since the pipes were not wrapped in anyway. So that's where the final set of insulation went. What was left over. So this is it, man. Once I get all this crap out of here and we pass installation inspection, it's on to sheetrock. So I'll keep you posted. It's coming along, lots of work, but it's starting to look like it's coming together. Anyway, basement renovation or basement refinish part 3 comes to an end. See you guys on the next video.